Hey guys, it's Chelsea Fairbourn, and I've got a Go Big Sister tip for you, ironically coming from my childhood bedroom. So the Go Big Sister energy is strong. My tips center on travel. So if you're blood related to me, you've heard this TED Talk. I swear by packing cubes. So go and get the packing cubes from Amazon. They're more streamlined for when you're packing. They keep everything organized. You can label them, and they also make great laundry bags for the return. And I swear you can fit more into your bags. Have I tested it? No, but I promise, just trust me. And on the toiletry side, I never buy travel size toiletries. I just buy travel bottles that fit that 3-ounce requirement, and then I use the products that I already have. So that way I'm not getting products that I don't normally use, and I'm not out of sync or out of whack when I'm traveling. I'm using the same products, just putting them in a different bottle, and then if I have extra when I get home, they just go back into the original bottle, and there you go. It's easy peasy. And you're looking at maybe $12 total for packing cubes and for travel bottles, so it's efficient across the board.